Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama. It's the 10th of March. It's a nice spring sunny day today. Happy daylight savings if you're so inclined. Or even if you're not. We gotta do it, don't we? Keep them bills paid. Anyway, it's been a real nice spring sunny day. We're out here with the little birds. They got them some greens and some seeds and some mealworms. Uh-oh, sounds like George made it outside. And look, the girls left me an egg. How nice, huh? Getting to be that time of year. I'm so excited. Springtime. It's springtime. Sounds like the doves are happy about it. I think the little birds are happier that it's warming up. I think I'm going to build the bird tower and put it on the sun porch. And I'm going to invite a little boy and a little girl to stay there, probably Poppy and May May. They're my oldest birds. They're going to be 3 years old this year. Can you believe we've been doing little birds for 3 years? Wow. Yep, it's going to be 3 years this year. Uh-oh, she got a mouthful over there. Should I help her out? Will she let me? Nope, she got it. She got it. Listen to them doves. Very happy. And so are we. Oh, she got another long one over there. Oh, maybe George didn't make it out. He's still trying. Yeah, we got some peanuts in the new mix over there, and the boys and girls really seem to like those peanuts. Like just about anything. Anyway, hope you're enjoying this new year, 2025. Things are a little crazy, but out of chaos we'll get order, right? Allegedly. We'll see. All's good in the little bird world. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. We sure appreciate you tuning in. We'll try to get better programming here in the near future. And I'm thinking this fall we're going to incubate some chicks. Or maybe late summer. Late summer we will incubate some chicks when we're back from Vancouver. Got a house to sell. Yep. Anyway, hope everybody's having a great one. Stay safe out there, everybody. Oh. Baby cat wants to say hi. Hi, baby. Oops. Ah, almost dropped the phone. Holy smokes. All right, everybody. Have you a good one. Ooh. We're gonna go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.